Who's that, a K-pop star?
The new supreme leader of North Korea.
No shit.
You're still a wanted man.
Yeah, I know.
What did you do?
What I have to.
You are moving a weapon of war. The kind we deny exists.
You do what you need to. You broke a lot of rules, Price. No more rules.